how to find sort code on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find sort code on Revolut. So to do that, first of all, open up the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically go to the accounts tab if you already aren't in this tab right over here. After that, you'll have to simply tap on this drop down option right over here and then make sure you are on your British Pound account. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the more option or the three dots icon and then tap on the option details. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you can find the sort code right over here, and if you want to copy it, simply tap on this icon right over here. So that is basically how you find the sort code on Revolut. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.